LuxMed Washer Extractor is also known by several alternative names depending on its size and use, most commonly commercial washing machine, industrial washing machine, and heavy-duty laundry extractor. LuxMed Washer Extractor combines heavy-duty washing and high-speed water extraction, spinning via centrifugal force, into a single industrial unit, making it essential for rapidly processing massive volumes of commercial laundry. Primary industry uses: hospitals and healthcare, sanitizing patient linens, surgical gowns, and staff uniforms while preventing cross-contamination, often using specialized barrier washer setups. Hotels and resorts, washing large daily loads of bedsheets, heavy bath towels, table linens, and guestware. Commercial laundromats, providing high-throughput, coin or card-operated self-service cleaning for everyday customers. Garment and textile factories, rinsing, washing, and softening newly manufactured apparel or fabrics before packaging. Hostels and educational facilities, handling institutional bedding, sports uniforms, and resident clothing en masse. Key operational benefits: saves time. Washes and extracts water in one integrated cycle without moving wet clothes to a separate spinner. Reduces drying costs. High G-force spin speeds remove a vast majority of residual moisture, shortening the workload and energy required by commercial dryers. Built for durability. Heavy-duty stainless steel construction resists harsh chemicals, high heat, and continuous daily use. LuxMed Washer Extractor combines a heavy-duty washing machine and a high-speed centrifugal water extractor into a single automated drum unit. It washes textiles through tumbling action with water and soap, then accelerates rotation to high G forces to expel trapped moisture before drying. Operational phases: loading and wetting. Linens are loaded into a perforated inner stainless steel drum nested inside a stationary outer tub. Water and chemical detergents enter the system to saturate the fabric. Washing and agitation. The inner drum rotates at low speeds, driven by powerful industrial motors and variable frequency drives, VFDs. This tumbling motion lifts and drops the laundry to create mechanical flex, breaking loose dirt and stains. Rinsing. Dirty wash liquor is drained away. Fresh rinse water fills the tub to flush out residual detergent, and the drum tumbles again. High-speed extraction. The motor ramps up to high revolutions per minute, RPM. Driven by centrifugal force, water is flung outward through the perforations of the inner spinning basket, collected by the outer tub, and pumped out of the system. LuxMed Washer Extractor. Selecting the right commercial or industrial washer extractor requires balancing capacity, G-force spin efficiency, and structural mounting type to match your specific operational and facility requirements. Key options to evaluate: mounting type, hard mount versus soft mount, hard mount. Bolted directly to a reinforced concrete foundation, lower initial purchase price, but lower G-force extraction, 75 to 250 G. Resulting in higher residual moisture and longer drying times. Soft mount, freestanding, uses internal springs and shock absorbers, requires no special bolt-down foundation and achieves high G-force extraction, 300 to 450 G, to cut drying times by up to 50%. Capacity size. Small, 10 kilograms to 15 kilograms. Ideal for small clinics, salons, or boutique guest houses. Medium, 20 kilograms to 50 kilograms, suited for mid-sized hotels, commercial laundromats, and small hospitals. Large, industrial, 60 kilograms to 120 kilograms plus, built for large healthcare facilities, commercial linen plants, and heavy industrial output. LuxMed looking for offshore manufacturing partner for inline country that produces goods for local demands and supply to reduce manufacturing costs or access specialized capabilities and technology access to scale global business operation. For details, please revert.